Holmbury were established in 1982 by David French, and the main crux of the company was founded on flat-face couplings, H and HQ series. We make all our couplings to the ISO 16028 standard, and this standard was adopted 15 years ago after we'd already been making the couplings for in the region of 12 or 13 years. The applications of a flat-face coupling are including fitting attachments on excavators, telehandlers and agricultural machines and industrial equipment. They're mainly used to connect and disconnect hydraulic hoses or pipes without the loss of the fluids running through those pipes, which is mainly hydraulic oil. The beauty of a flat-face coupling over standard agricultural couplings is the ease of cleaning the coupling. They are 100% leak-free. You get no oil loss or air intrusion when you're using them. They're a pull brake design, which means you pull back the sleeve of the coupling to actually disconnect, and to connect you just push the two halves together. The design of the couplings is effectively to give as low a pressure drop as humanly possible. The ideal situation on coupling two lines is you have a straight through bore of a hose with no interference. A coupling is valved, therefore you have to have some pressure drop going through the coupling. The way Holmbury have designed the coupling, that pressure drop is an absolute industry minimum. We also have a locking ball for safety, so when you connect the coupling you can rotate a sleeve which locks the actual coupling in position so there'll be no accidental disconnection. The steels we use are high carbon steels. We do this and we also induction harden the relevant parts of the coupling to stop a condition called Brinelling. Brinelling is where the coupling is trying to pull itself apart under high pressure pulses. We have two ranges of our coupling. We have the H series, which is trivalent plated, which is good for about 100 hours to white rust. Trivalent plating is chrome 6 free, which the industry is calling for now because of end of life restrictions. This is the general purpose coupling working at 315 bar, and you can see the actual flat face design which will allow absolutely zero leakage from the actual faces of the male half and the female half. To connect, you offer the couplings together, and to stop unwanted disconnection you can rotate the sleeve and then the coupling is locked in position. The second range of flat face couplings that Holmbury produce is the HQ series of couplings, which is made of higher grade steels and has greater hardness for use in hammer circuits, demolition tools and much higher pulses, and this works at 350 bar as well. Exactly the same principle occurs when connecting and disconnecting. The surface finish of this HQ coupling is zinc nickel plating. Zinc nickel plating is good for up to 280 hours to white rust and complies with the OEM's demands that Holmbury supply to. The actual connection and disconnection is exactly the same. Align the locking ball with a groove in the sleeve, pull the sleeve back to disconnect. Exactly the same principle as the H series, flat faces, just wipe clean before connection and then push together to reconnect. The main usage again is in higher pulse applications like hydraulic hammers and demolition tools, which suffer extreme pressure pulses which would destroy standard couplings. We offer various thread variations to accommodate customers' needs. We can use BSP, NPT, SAE, UNF, JIC threads and even BSPT for the Japanese market. Holmbury sell these couplings globally and therefore we try to accommodate all customers' needs.